Today I'm going to show you something cool. I took a 30-year-old MIDI file and turned it into a bossa nova jazz track. Back in 1996, my dad recorded an instrumental song on his home gear. All that's left is that old MIDI file. Last month I used Suno AI to bring it back to life. You can do the same with any old recording, a voice memo, a cassette tape, anything. I'll show you how to clean up the audio, write good prompts, and know what not to do. Got an old song sitting around? Let's go. To see how I did it, click the link in the description. Okay, that was a short taste. That song started as a 30-year-old MIDI file. My dad recorded it back in 1996 on his home gear. I turned it into what you just heard using Suno. Want to learn how? Just click the link in the description. It'll take you to my full tutorial on Medium.